Hello, winter. I didn't realize there was this subculture of transit fans who love watching buses and trains with a love I only thought was reserved for the likes of J-Lo. Whenever I make a video about bad TTC or public transit buses, a whole flock of these gulls attack the comment section. Some are so foul I have to remove them. Here's an example of one that is pretty tame, but still not so nice. So here's another one, transit fans. Get your fingers ready, but keep it clean and cool, or else your comment will be censored. Now, the large majority of public transit drivers, such as our TTC drivers, are fantastic people and drivers. This particular driver is not part of that majority, and it's not just one thing this driver does, but two, in a short span of time. Note that this bus was not even in service, so trying to keep to a schedule was not an issue at the time. First, the light here turns yellow, and based on the position of the bus at the time, really, they shouldn't have gone, especially given that a bus is long and slow. So in the end, it blocks the traffic for the advanced green drivers going towards me. So here's where the bus fans will post their biased comments that make no sense according to the ministry guidelines, let alone the laws of Ontario. There's no interpretation of the evidence, it's simply there. Second, later up the road, the same bus approaches the left turn that has its own advanced green. The advanced green ends, and so should the bus's progress. But no, it proceeds, this time delaying the progress of yet another lane of traffic. Seriously, ridiculous, selfish driving behavior from a supposed professional. Arguments coming will be plentiful but wrong. Arguments about a vehicle that size needing more time and space to stop are true. But then, those people driving those vehicles must drive like they're driving a vehicle of that size. You can't make their size an excuse for them. Their size is what requires their driving style to be different. A subway train doesn't say they can't stop at their station because they're too heavy. If they didn't have all the computers and switches and signals, what would they do? They would have to plan and know how far back they needed to start slowing down to prepare for their stop. Good bus drivers and other large vehicle drivers do just that. They plan and prepare knowing the physics of what they are driving. Unfortunately, the bus driver in this example simply is a poor example of a public transit driver and needs to be cautioned on their driving practices. Okay, rant over. Thanks for watching and drive safe. Remember, we all have to share the space on the road. Be patient, leave plenty of space, and we'll all get home to J-Lo. To our loved ones.